don't know if that was you or me.
Let me see it. I think there's enough BBs in there to kill turkey.
Probably. I think that one's good too. My shoulder.
What was that?
Nothing.
What was that?
I didn't say anything.
Nice shot. What you doing?
Eating food.
What's going on?
Listen to turkeys gobble in the distance.
Think you're gonna kill him?
Hopefully.
Sit oatmeal cream pie, good luck.
Yeah, I guess so.
Nice. How was that for your first turkey hunt?
Great.
Too bad we didn't have someone else with another tag.
I know.
You spoiled freaking rotten. First hunt, we were running touch behind.
Mm-hmm.
Forgot the tail fan for the decoy at the truck. Ran back to the truck, come back. We weren't hearing any gobbles hardly. And No, finally, it's almost like they pitched down from the roost and then they just started hammering. They went to the field to the back and called them. They started just hammering back, and sure enough, 2 of them just come right on in. And I think we're at 15 minutes. She's been trying to get a shot off in the decoys. So everyone's still just sitting right here. We got a hen still right here. What do you? First bird.
Mm-hmm.
Very first hunt ever, turkey hunting.
Mm-hmm.
And you've hunted for what? An hour?
Yeah.
Oh man. Were you going pretty good when you come in?
What?
When they come in, were you getting excited?
Oh yeah, heart racing.
I could tell.
I was
shaking.
great. Yeah,
I was shaking.
your voice, that was like great.
Then they sat here long enough, and they sat behind the decoy so she couldn't get a shot. And finally, he come out far enough for her to shoot. It looks like he got a little bit of my tail feather, but
Worth the sacrifice.
at least they kind of came in here and sat in here long enough where you got to kind of chill back down, focus on your shot, and I think that's a little bit closer than those pumpkins you were shooting yesterday.
Yeah.
So, well, the good thing is that it is 7 o'clock, so hopefully your dad will have breakfast ready up there for us.